In Module 10, we're going to encounter quite a few new definitions. These definitions will be related to the concept of extrema. So as we begin working on this module, take the time to look at each of the definitions and make sure that we understand them. 5 terms that we'll see at the beginning of this section include absolute maximum, which is the highest point or the highest value on the function from its beginning until its end. Similar, functions also have absolute minimums, which is the lowest point or the lowest value on the entire domain of the function. Also, we'll encounter the term local or relative maximum, which would be the highest point in a general area of the curve, but maybe not on the entire curve. For example, we might be looking at what's happening on Tuesday or what's happening on the 10-yard line of the football field, but we're not interested in the other parts of the function or the domain. Similar to that is the local or relative minimum. Now, to help us find these local extrema, these local maximums and minimums, is the term critical point. And the critical point can be identified where the derivative is set equal to 0 or where the derivative happens to not exist. So remember, as you work through Module 10, pay special attention to the new terms that we see so that we'll be able to apply these to the applications that are coming up in the following modules. We'll look for any questions that you might have on the discussion board.